What are we doing today?
I'm going to be learning how to design and make motor mounts. So there's going to be some plasma cutting. I'm going to be not getting too dirty, but it's definitely going to be getting hot in there.
Stay tuned. Lots of snow.
Too much. I don't like snow. Wish me something cold.
It's the LSJ! Welcome back to Project LSJ Fiero. We're making motor mounts today and mocking up the LSJ engine on the cradle.
You are not excited enough. Get more excited. Get amped.
Welcome back to Project LSJ Fiero! We're outside today, it's snowing! So, making motor mounts is all about getting creative. I have designed a bracket that fits on the front side of the F-35 transmission. And today, we're going to build ears off the cradle to attach it. And we're going to take this old control arm from the wrecked car. We're going to press out this crappy bushing and put in a relatively new solid bushing, and that'll become the mount for the front side. And Rose is going to help do that. So we're using this gigantic press, and hopefully that's going to work out good. All right, Rose has got the bushing in the control arm, and she's got her arm on the press lever, so she's going to press out this bushing very slowly, and hopefully nothing pops or breaks or does anything crazy.
Pull the lever, Crunk.
All right, go ahead.
Pull the lever, Crunk.
You did it. Hey, there's no bushing in there. Yay!
Is it supposed to be cracked?
Oh, it was already cracked from the accident.
Okay.
I just welded
I was like, bro.
I was like, we didn't crack it. It cracked in the accident, but we're already putting a bunch of weld on it, so it won't matter.
Okay. I wasn't aware of the condition before I started doing this.
Well, it was in a crazy rollover.
Alright, you guys, so I am going to be using a plasma cutter for the first time ever, and Alex just let me know that if I fuck this up, then I fuck the only control arm up that we have. So I'm going to do my best to do this. I have never done this before. Please make sure if you are creating motor mounts for yourself or using heavy utility weapons like your utility tools like this, like the plasma cutter I am about to be using, please make sure you have the proper protection. I am wearing gloves and I have on a welding mask to protect me. Again, safety first.
Okay, now we come in and actually make the curve. Just like that. Now on the other side. Yeah!
It is the thing?
All right, that's hot. It's too hot. Oh God! Where did it go? Into the snow.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Ooh. Nice. We ain't taking it.
Oh, not while I'm right here. Okay, with that.
Damn, that's hot. All right.
Things you also say about your wife.
Now, what you're gonna do, you're gonna come in and get really close to it, okay? Like that. And you start from that side and start making your pool and keep getting closer to it. Yeah, keep it going continuously. All right, let's take it to the grinder. Yeah, we're getting it now. Okay. Alright, I guess slowly try to go in.
That's what she said. You see this? Not going in on one side.
Yeah, it's okay. I think that's okay with K as long as we... Yeah, it's still going in pretty smoothly. Alright.
Okay, you guys, so what I'm about to do here is I'm going to quite literally draw up the stencil for the mount that we're going to be putting in here. My friend Lance decided to draw this, right? And we actually really like the way it fits, but we need it to go at a 90-degree angle. So rather than having it go outward, I'm going to have it go right up to the mount. I'm going to draw up the rough draft. I already pretty much know what I'm going to do here. Believe it or not, I am a pretty good stencil drawer. Make sure I get a pretty straight line. I'm going to use the back side of this. That's pretty accurate. Like, really doesn't get much better than that.
You don't need the hole.
I don't? Cool.
Nope.
Cool. Well, then I'm just going to make this a little more prominent. I think now I just cut it out. I can cut it straighter than I can draw it with this. Kind of just try to keep this line straight here so it didn't like dent in and stuff, but like I guess if we need to we can like
Okay, we see if we can find another one where place to cut out another one of those. Trying to maximize our space here. All right, we're gonna cut the mount that Rose designed out of this 1/4-inch plate. We're gonna try. Yeah, drop it. All right, turn off the plasma cutter and start grinding. Pretty good. Here we can see Rose threading the bolt through the two pieces of the bracket that we just made. This will keep the bolt hole in line and let us know where to weld. And now we're gonna hammer those so they're in the right spot. It's about right. At this point, we decided we are finished for the day. There will be more reinforcements afterwards, but this is a really good step towards progress. Hey guys, we're here from quarantine.
This is it's like day 13 for us, quite technically, since we went full lockdown.
Look, we just wanted to say something and mention the crisis that's, worldwide right now. Wanted to mention that we're not unaware of it. We've discussed how we're reacting to it. Obviously, we have 2 kids at home. Things have been super crazy here, and it's a very strange time for everybody. We're going to try to keep making some videos during this time with the resources that we have, because entertainment is at least something that we can do to contribute. Our income sources have really slowed down, as everybody's have, so, we still have our Etsy shop open.
Oh, hi guys.
What?
Oh, by the way, it's Alex's birthday, and we just got done having cake, and Grandma Lightspeed sent over balloons for the kids.
Oh God, this is why it is all the time right now. All right, I'm gonna take them away. You finish. You finish.
Okay. Okay. So as Alex was saying, our income sources are somewhat dwindling. Especially just because we want to protect ourselves, our family, and the other people around us. We are actually responding to this whole situation, not like hysterically, but we are taking all of the necessary precautions for our young children, for Alex's dad's sake. His dad's a man in his 60s, he just had surgery, so his immune system's a little compromised right now, and he can't care for himself in a proper manner. In the meantime, we know that it's not always easy for everybody, but if you guys are still interested in contributing to the Project LSJ build, then be aware our Etsy shop is still open. I do have plenty of materials here at home. Luckily, we bought some of those things in bulk. When we had money, we reinvested, and so that way we could just have some stuff on stock. I am also making tie-dye. I'm gonna be putting up a new Etsy shop just for that, because we don't want to mix and mingle with the 2 shops. So if you guys would like to purchase any of my tie-dye in this time, I promise you my house is as sanitary as it gets. We're only leaving the house if necessary. Yeah, we hope you guys are staying alive and healthy. I'm really interested to know, what are you guys doing to stay entertained out there, because I've been doing my tie-dye. been working on our property a lot. You guys have seen that. Maybe we'll insert a clip here. And you guys reach out to your friends. Don't let them sit in silence. Like, just because we have to be physically distant doesn't mean that we need to be socially distant, okay? Remember that your friends need you and you need your friends, and there are ways to get around the physical distancing. Don't even let yourself think that it has to be social distancing. It's physical distance, and you can still be social. So, let me know down below how you are entertaining yourself during this time. If you are in quarantine, let me know if you're still working and if there's any companies that should not be supporting in this time who are not paying you well enough to be putting yourself at risk. Think about that one. I'm gonna close the vlog for now. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's so much fun working on the project with Alex and learning how to weld and learning how to grind and learning how to use the plasma cutter. There we go. That was I had to think about it. It's been almost 2 weeks actually since we filmed all of that, so I was not in the forefront of my mind. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay aware. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. I forgot how I usually exit out these videos and stuff. Yeah.